Texting someone you like can be tricky. There are many unspoken rules you should navigate. For example, there's no set time for appropriate texting, but consider the girl's schedule. If she's a night owl, texting around 10 p.m. might be okay, but avoid texting too late if she goes to bed early or to avoid giving her a bad impression. If you aren't sure when to text, asking her for preferred texting times is a way to find out while also showing thoughtfulness. Avoid waking her up or starting arguments late at night. Aim to text between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., but use judgment on response times. Sending a quick goodnight message or important info is acceptable, but be cautious of sending text that may be interpreted as a booty call late at night. For deep conversations, consider texting earlier in the day or meeting in person.